Now let us discuss about the family Asclepiadaceae or the Caratropis family or milkweed family. Look at this classification of Asclepiadaceae. This Asclepiadaceae family kingdom Phanerogames, division Spermatophyta, class Dicotyledons, subclass Gamopetalae, series Bicarpellate, order Gentianales, and family Asclepiadaceae. Here, this is the classification of this family. Now, look at the distribution and characteristic features of this Asclepiadaceae family. This family distributed. The family includes about 175 genera and over 2,200 species widely distributed in tropical and subtropical regions of the world. The familiar examples are Caratropis, Asclepias, Tylophora, Pergularia, Neptademia, etc. Now, vegetative characters of this family. The plants are perennial herbs, example Asclepias. Shrubs, examples Caratropis, are woody climbers, example Tylophora, Demia, Leptademia. Discaria is an epiphytic climbers. Sometimes the plants are succulent, example Foya, or xerophytic with cactus-like habit, example Stapelia and Caramel. A perennial rootstock is present and sometimes the roots are fleshy or tuberous. Now, stem. Stem in this family is erect, branched and woody in lower portions. The vesicular plants are bicollateral and the plants contain a milky juice present in branching latissiferous tubes. The leaves are opposite, decussate, rarely alternate, simple, entire and exstipulate. In xerophytic leaves such as Stapelia, leaves are reduced to spines or scales. A thick waxy covering is found on the leaves of Caratropis procera. The petiole is pulvinous in Cryptostegia grandiflora. In Discaria, a pair of leaves is often modified into a pitcher which collects debris and water. Now, floral characters of in this Asclepiadaceae family. The inflorescence is usually a dicaceal sign arising in the leaf axil or sometimes it is racemose. Here, look at this diagram. Here, this is the original plant and this is so sometimes it is a racemose or umbellate as in Asclepias and Caratropis. Now, flower. So here, this is the Caratropis flower. Now here, this is LS of flower. The flowers are bracteate, usually bracteolate, complete, bisexual, actinomorphic, pentamerous and hypogynous. The flowers are completely large in Ceropodia and Stapelia. Now, calyx in this family. The calyx consists of 5 sepals which are united below to form a short calyx tube. The lobes are tube-concealed, imbricate or valvate in bud. The corolla has 5 united petals, that is called gamopetals, which may be rotate in Caratropis, campanulate in Gymnema, or funnel-form in Cryptostegia. The estivation is valvate or twisted. The corolla tube is often with a corona which is in the form of a ring of hairs, scales or processes. Now, stamens in this family. In this family, the stamens are 5 epipetalous and inserted at or near the base of corolla tube. In this subfamily Periploideae, the filaments are free. The anthers are coherent and appressed to the expanded stigma. The pollen is granular and united into tetrads. The pollen from one half of 2 adjacent anthers discharge on to spatulate translator arising from the style head and alternating with the anthers. Each translator ends below in an adhesive disc. Usually a staminal corona of 5 free lobes arises from the base of the filaments. Example, Cryptostegia. In the subfamily Sanencoideae, the filaments are connate in a short fleshy tube around the style. The anthers crowning a column are adnate by the connective to the pentagonial stigma, forming the gynoecium. The anthers are two-celled and the pollen grains are united into waxing masses called pollinia in each cell. The pollinia of adjacent anther lobes are united in pairs by corticles of various shapes to a gland which is called corpusculum, which lies on the stigma. The short filaments are ornamented with nectiferous corona, which varies in form in different genera. Example, Caratropis davia. Now, gynoecium. The gynoecium is bicarpellary. Here, look at this diagram. The gynoecium is dicarpellary. The ovaries of the two carpels are free. The styles are united by their apices and dilate to form a peltate stigma with 5 lateral stigmatic surfaces. The ovary of each carpel is unilocular with a single placenta bearing numerous anatropous ovules. Placentation is marginal type. Now the fruit. The fruit is of 2 follicles which are close together or divergent. They vary in shape and are membranous to woody. The seeds are flattened and commonly bear a terminal tuft of long white silky hairs. They help in dispersals. The endosperm is dense and copious and the embryo is large.